Hello everyone, good day. Welcome to Velcraft for another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to edit a cinematic look. Bago natin simulan, papakita ko muna sa inyo ang before and after photo. So here's the before and here's the after. By the way guys, itong preset na to ay libre. I'm giving away this preset for free. And this Lightroom preset is applicable for Lightroom CC and Lightroom Mobile. And nga guys, bago ko makalimutan, meron akong nilagay na password sa file na to. At ang password ay makikita nyo bago matapos ang video na to. So watch the full tutorial to get the password. Okay, let's start. Let's import the preset first. Import presets and locate the file kung saan mo nilagay yung preset. Click import. Okay, this is the preset. So ito yung look na na-achieve natin. And by the way, I have 5 photos here. And also guys, for mobile installation, inside the file you will see XMP file for Lightroom CC and one DING file for your mobile. So I'll show you guys. So here's XMP for your Lightroom CC, and for your mobile, this is the DING file. Open the Lightroom for installation. Open the Lightroom app, import your DING file to your library. The settings of the preset are embedded to this image. You must have to save them as a new preset and give it to the name of the file. Look at the info, and now you can use these presets to all your images. Okay guys, if you like this preset, can comment down below, like and share, and thank you for watching this video tutorial. May God bless you all.